Welcome to a quick tour of a two-bedroom suite at the aka Times Square in New York City. This particular suite only had one bathroom, but it was clean, modern, and had all of the necessary supplies. There were also several robes provided throughout the suite. Outside of the bathroom, there were two closets. One closet had a nice, stacked washing and drying machine. As we stayed for an extended amount of time, we did use it, and it was a convenient option to have. On the other side, there was another closet that could be used for storage. Turning around, we head into the first of the two bedrooms. This bedroom had a king-size bed, with night tables on both sides. There was a TV mounted on the wall, and a few pictures for decoration. It also had a decent full-size closet, with drawers on both sides, additional towels, and plenty of space for hanging clothes. Pulling the doors to reveal the other side of the closet, we found the room safe, along with a laundry bag and additional drawers. Overall, it was a nicely laid out bedroom, with enough space on both sides of the bed, and ample storage. The main living space was also well planned. In the main room, there was a nice dining area with 4 chairs, a decent-sized island counter, and a clean and well-appointed kitchen. The kitchen was a nice size, and contained all of the items you would need to prepare, cook, and eat meals. Going through the island drawers, we found measuring cups, scissors, a can opener, and a corkscrew. The next drawer had 3 different sized knives. And the last drawer had a variety of cooking utensils, including a spatula, tongs, a ladle and a variety of serving spoons. Underneath this island drawer was a cabinet that had pots and pans. Moving back to the left, in the next cabinet, we found a strainer, along with a casserole dish. Having a fairly well-equipped kitchen, along with a washer and dryer, was super convenient, as we stayed here for an extended period of time. We were able to get groceries close by, cook some meals, and do laundry as needed. In the main kitchen area, there was a coffee maker, paper towels, dishwashing liquid and a sponge. Underneath the sink we found trash and recycling bins, along with a few pods for the dishwasher. The sink was an okay size, no garbage disposal. And as you can see, a few of the cabinets were empty, that could be used for storage of items. There was a drawer with flatware, about 4 of each utensil size. In addition to the full-size refrigerator and dishwasher, the kitchen was equipped with an oven, stove, and microwave. Above the kitchen area, there were also several cupboards. The one above the microwave was empty. The one next to it housed a toaster and water kettle. Then we found a decent set of dishware, anywhere between 2 to 6 of each piece. And the last cupboard contained glassware. Again, probably 4 to 6 of each type. And that was basically what you found in the kitchen. Moving on, the next area was effectively laid out as a cozy living room. There was a large couch, coffee table, armchair, and a decent-sized TV. It was a great area for relaxing after a day in the city. As you can see, the suite was quite spacious, and we were pleasantly surprised how well maintained they were. Everything was spotless, and you could ask for additional items such as laundry detergent, paper towels, or dishwasher pods at any time. Now let's take a look at the second bedroom in the suite. This one had a double bed with a nightstand, and similar to the first room has a TV mounted to the wall along with a few pictures for decoration. Unlike the first room, this room also had a mirror on the wall. Also similar to the first bedroom, this bedroom has a full-size closet, with ample hanging space, another laundry bag, extra towels, and plenty of drawers. Overall, similar to the first bedroom, this bedroom was comfortable, clean, and had plenty of space to move about as well as store your things. Finally, there was one last closet in the main area, next to the thermostat. This was a good-sized closet for hanging coats, and also stored an iron and ironing board. There was also a luggage rack and 2 more bathrobes. And that pretty much completes our tour of the two-bedroom suite at the aka Times Square in New York City. We hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.